They see you, even when you don't notice them, watching from a distance, silent, still. In the world of birds, this one is different, because a crow doesn't just see, it remembers your face, your movement, your presence, and once it learns you, it doesn't forget. Scientists discovered something unusual. When a crow is threatened, it marks the face responsible, not for a moment, but for years. And it doesn't keep that information to itself, it shares it. Other crows learn, they remember too. A single encounter becomes a message passed through the sky. Because for the crow, this isn't just survival, this is intelligence. And once you've been seen, you're never truly alone again.